zigenzo kona sawa 3 n'ekitundu ez'okumakya ng'omubiri gwa General Aronda Nyakairima gutuusiddwa ku kisaawe e Kololo. Wano omukolo gw'okusabira omwoyo gw'omugenzi we gutegekeddwa era nga gukulungudde ebikonge ebiwerako okuva mu gavumenti eya wakati, bannaddiini, ababaka b'amawanga ag'ebweru, abasirikale b'eggye lya UPDF mwabadde ku ddaala lya Geno, poliisi n'abantu abalala bangi. Okusaba kutandise ku ssaawa 4 nga kukulembeddwamu omusumba w'ekkanisa ya Uganda Stanley Ntagali nga kwetabiddwako Pulezidenti Yoweri Museveni.
Avoid the politics of hatred and divisionism. Put God first, as our motto says, for God and my country.
Ng'ayogerako eri abakungubazi, Museveni anenyeza gavumenti ya South Korea olw'okugaana okwa Aronda obujjanjabi mu bwangu nga kyajja atandike okufuna okulumizibwa.
He was sitting in the car with Kasenene and he said, I am feeling dizzy. And they tried to go to the hospital. Now, when they went to hospital, apparently the South Koreans said that they cannot allow somebody to go to hospital who does not have insurance in South Korea. That's nonsense. Surely, in South Korea, they must have emergencies. How can somebody come as an emergency and then you say, insurance? You treat him and see whether he will not pay. What was the problem? So, he should not have entered that plane. He should have gone to hospital. And if he was to die, he would have died in the hospital. I'm really annoyed with this. And I would want the commanders to pay more attention to exercising and regular medical checkups.
Yenna Mwandu Linda Nyakairima ategezeza nga bba bw'abadde omusajja omukozi era ayagala ennyo ensi ye.
Sometimes you'd wonder how passionate he talked about Uganda, as if he was talking about a person. This heart problem they are talking about, okay, it might have been there, but the 20 years I have lived with my husband, I have never seen him sick. My children are witness. We have never seen him sick. We have never seen him fail to get out of bed to go and work. He was full of strength.
Atabadde omumyuka wa Aronda mu ministry y'ensonga ez'omunda ngono James Baba agambye nikikwasa ennaku okulaba nga General Aronda tatuuse ku kigendererwa kye ekyokulaba ng'eggwanga ligenda mu kulonda okw'emirembe.
I want to appeal to the people of Uganda to heed General Aronda's plea. Let us cooperate, let us work together to ensure we compete peacefully and have a successful, peaceful election.
Ono era ayagala wabeewo engeri emikutu egy'empuliziganya naddala egya intaneti oba social media gye giyinza okulungamizibwamu naddala ku bubaka obuyisibwa ku mikutu egyo.
I hope to work with the IGP, the Attorney General, the Minister of ICT, the Uganda Communications Commission, to see if we cannot come up with a framework and we take it to Cabinet so that we can decisively deal with this matter. People's images must be protected. They worked hard to become what they are. Now who are you to come and reduce them, ridiculing them, even in their moments of death?
Wetwogerera ng'omulambo guli mu maka g'omugenzi e Buziga ng'eno gye gugenda okugibwa olunaku lw'enkya gutwalibwe mu disitulikiti y'e Rukungiri ng'eno omubiri gw'omugenzi gye gugenda okugalamizibwa ku Sande eno. Julius Senkandwa, NTV.